Do you want to know how you can switch accounts on your Temu account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch your account on Temu. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to temu.com. Now, log into your account. After you log into your account, what you need to do is hover around this option which is called Orders and Accounts. Now, you can see Switch Accounts on the end of the menu. Click on Switch Accounts and you can see your added accounts. If you have not added an account yet, go ahead and click Add Account. Continue with your Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID or your Twitter account, and you can add your email address or your account. After that, you can see that you are currently logged into this account. To switch account, choose your account which is over here, and in a while you can see that you have just switched your account. It's quite simple, guys. Open temu.com, log into your account, hover around this option over here and click on Switch Accounts. This way, you can switch your account on Temu quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.